In the following video, we demonstrate how to replace the incoming air filter. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines. Before starting the procedure, shut down the T1 and disconnect the power. First, we must gain access to it by removing the right side panels as looking at the T1 from the back of the machine. We must also secure the incoming air pressure and remove that pressure from the system by unscrewing the bottom bleed valve on the filter bowl. We will now push the blue tab and spin the filter housing to the left, allowing that housing to slide off of the filter. We now unscrew the filter, discard it. Putting the new one in, we screw it back into that bottom post, and then slide the filter housing back over it, and spin it to the right until that blue tab secures.